Hi, I'm Arvin from the VRARA, and I'm here with
Dan
tell us your
McDowell.
name.
Yeah, my name is Dan McDowell. I do business development for HTC Vive.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about what kind of stuff you work on specifically.
Yeah, so in a nutshell, we're trying to triple the amount of customers we do business with in virtual reality, and we wouldn't do that without partnerships in both software and all types of other things to make all that come together, and so that's why we're excited about being part of the VRARA.
Awesome, awesome.
Okay.
All right, so tell us, what has you excited about the potential of XR and AI in the enterprise sector?
I think one of the things that's most exciting is that people get it now. Maybe a year or two ago, people were realizing that this was something that could work, and now it's been proven that it does work. And so you see a lot more people coming to the game and trying to implement both on the software side. People, taking what were very heavy solutions and now making them work for the common man or woman to, actually turn these things on. And for instance. I'm not a big super techie guy, and to now do a demonstration where I can have multiple people across 2 different continents all in the same room in VR collaborating on something, I can do that myself now. And so the industry is scaling or getting to a point now where this stuff is approachable. It's lighter weight. It can be, the layman can turn it on and make it work. So I think that's one of the most exciting things that helps it get to the next level. And instead of just being, interested in turning it on, now I can make it work and I can deploy it to an organization and anybody can make it work. So it's the market's really maturing, the products are maturing, the software is maturing, and I think that's the most exciting thing. It's now more usable.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely. So in talking about reaching all your goals and doing that, how does the VRAR Association help you reach those goals?
Well, a lot, actually. In fact, we're here at our event today because of the VRARA. So we've actually partnered with the San Francisco chapter because we have a local spot here. And here we've got 75 people showing up to check out solutions that they may or may not knew existed or had heard about but haven't been able to see. So we've been able to make a lot of connections and actually open some doors with the association that maybe had previously been closed, but through a little cajoling, those doors are back open. And again, here we are with 75 people in Berkeley coming to the San Francisco chapter of the VRARA inaugural event. Well, re-inaugural. We turn it back on. So I think maybe probably in more ways than most. Yeah.
That's great. That's really great. What's the most interesting VRAR project that you've seen?
There's been quite a few. We were introduced through the VRARA to some stuff that's happening in the automotive industry, and I can't say names, but that's for me. I guess I'm a car guy, so maybe that's why it resonates. But I was able to see some stuff with some manufacturing customers in the car space that is really exciting for me. Maybe not the biggest market per se, but definitely exciting.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, thank you for joining us and giving us your perspective on all this, and we're excited to get to this awesome event.
So is HTC Vive. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Awesome.